Hey guys, if you're looking for the perfect protective style for the holidays, I wanted to share with you my all-time favorite crochet style ever. It's the easiest I've ever done. It's cheap and it blends so well with my own hair. It looks so natural. I also get many compliments when I wear out, so this is actually a plus for me as well. The hair is Free Tress Joyful Curl. I got mine from Amazon because 2-day shipping and I'm going to leave a link for it in the description box just in case you guys want to do this hairstyle for this holiday, for the holidays. And while you're at it, also get this amazing tool that I now use for all of my hairstyles. Is this compact trifold 3-way mirror. Like, where was this all of my life? If you so happen to do your hair by yourself, you need this. People usually hang it on their doors, but I'm too short so I can't see, so I hung it on a chair. I usually sit on the floor and I do my hair. I'll also leave a link for it in the description box. It's so easy. You just open it up. There's 3 mirrors. I got the one with the light in the middle, and I can see the front of my hair, the back of my hair, and it's just so perfect for me. So back to the hair. I left my perimeter out, and I usually make big cornrows because this hair is so big, or it gets so big that you don't need that many cornrows. And I do a big one, a big circular cornrow in the back as well to connect everything. I usually split each strand in 2 so that, you know, I don't need to split it that many times. I just use 2 of them. This hair, guys, I literally use 1.5 pack because I bought the 3-pack for like $40 from Amazon with tax, and I used a pack and a half for my whole head because it started getting so big that I started spacing out things more so that I can use less hair. I flat twist my leave out and make big twist with the weave, and I wear a bonnet every night, so the hair is very low maintenance. And I kept this hair for 2 months, and it took me about 2 hours to install. You guys, don't laugh at my shirt. I was just like sitting on the floor just doing my hair, and I was just so happy with it. The thing about this hair is it blends really well with my leave out, and it's like sometimes I don't even take the leave out. I just like leave it as a twist, and then I just wear the hair like that. So I wanted to show you guys, this was the hair the same day after I finished it. This was the hair about a few weeks after I did the style, and don't laugh at me, I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks. And this is the hair about a month and a half, and the hair after the end of 2 months. As you see, I cut it. So this is what I was saying, when sometimes this is the front, this is my hair. Sometimes I leave it like that, or sometimes I take the leave out and I wear it like that as well. This is my all-time favorite hair, and you guys should get into it. Okay, let me know if you guys want to wear this, and I hope you guys have an amazing holidays. Don't laugh at me again, I'm just showing you guys the hair. Bye.